Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your online presence with Hootsuite, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To scale your online presence with Hootsuite, start by visiting the Hootsuite website. Create an account if you don't have one. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Click on the Add Social Network button. Select the social media platforms you want to manage from the options provided. Authorize Hootsuite to connect to your selected accounts. Once connected, organize your streams for easy navigation. Create a content calendar by clicking on the Planner tab. Drag and drop posts into the calendar to schedule them. Utilize the Composer tool to draft new posts. Ensure to engage with your audience by monitoring comments and messages. Use the Analytics feature to track your performance over time. Regularly assess your social media strategy based on the insights gained. Adjust your content based on what resonates with your audience. Experiment with different types of posts, including images, videos, and polls. Incorporate relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Consider using Hootsuite's integrations to boost efficiency. Explore the Hootsuite Academy for additional resources and training. Stay updated with social media trends and adjust accordingly. By consistently using Hootsuite's features, you'll effectively scale your online presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.